If you want to insert a footer only on the last page in Word, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. This is super useful when you want a special note, page information, a document ending, or a unique footer that only appears on the final page instead of every page in the file. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps inside Microsoft Word so you can do this quickly and without confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Word document and scroll all the way to the end of the second to last page. This part is important because the goal is to separate the last page from the rest of the document. Once you are at the end of that page, go up to the top menu and click Layout. Then choose Breaks, and under Section Breaks, click Next Page. This creates a new section starting on the final page, which is what allows you to use a different footer there. Now scroll down to the last page and double-click inside the footer area. This opens the header and footer tools at the top of Word. You should now see that Word is ready for you to edit the footer for this section. The next step is the most important one. In the header and footer tab, look for Link to Previous and click it to turn it off. When this option is deselected, the last page footer is no longer connected to the footer from the pages before it. If you skip this step, whatever you type may affect the other pages too, so make sure you do this carefully. After unlinking it, click inside the footer area on the last page and type the text you want to appear there. You can add anything you like, such as a closing message, contact details, a disclaimer, a copyright line, or any custom footer text for the final page only. Once you are happy with it, click anywhere outside the footer area to exit footer editing. Now your footer will appear only on the last page, while the rest of the document stays unchanged. If you want to check your work, scroll through the document and make sure that other pages do not show the same footer. If they do, go back and confirm that the section break was added correctly and that Link to Previous is turned off for the last section. That's really all there is to it. Using a section break and unlinking the footer gives you complete control over where the footer appears in Word. It's a simple but powerful trick that can make your documents look much more professional. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Word tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.